Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA MG2450. I want to show you how to print documents from mobile phone with this printer using a USB cable. Take this end of the cable, go to the back of the printer and connect it to USB port. Take this end of the cable, connect it to your mobile phone, then select OK. Open Noco Print. So it's processing, and the printer is found Canon MG2450 series. Select on it. Setup. Use generic. It's processing. Printer has been installed successfully. Then select OK. So to print documents, or if you want to print photo, now I want to show you how to print documents. So make sure you have A4 paper or the document you want to print with, or the paper you want to print with. A4 paper is what we have here. So select documents. Select on the document. It's processing. This is the document we want to print, our 2-page document. Then select print settings. Then you select number of copies. We want to print it 1. So you can select minus or plus to increase the number. So 1 is selected. Then you select OK. Then go to the setting again. Select all pages. You can print odd, even, select, or range. All page we want to print. Select again. Multi-page printing. Singly. Selected. Select it again. Double-sided printing. Only one side, unless you want to print manual. You can print double-sided manually. What that means, the document will print out, then you reload the document. Let's say if you want to print double-sided manually, select manually. Then front side first, then select OK. Then select print setting, layout, actual size, orientation, portrait. Select the layout again. Size, actual size, margin, normal, position, center, scaling, actual size. Then select the settings again. Select the paper. It will show you the paper size: A4, letter, legal, A5 or B5, photo 4x6, photo 5x7. So A4 selected. Normal mode, select normal. So you have draft, grayscale, normal. So normal selected, then select OK. Then select print. So it's printing the document. This is the document we printed out. If you want to print the second page, reload it on the tray. Once you reload it on the tray, then you wait. Then it will show you print job has been sent to the printer. Then you select OK. Now, if you want to print the second page, go to the settings. Then select to print backside. Then select OK. Then it will show you the second page. Then select print. This is the document. It will show you print job has been sent to the printer, then you select OK. So this is how to print document, two-sided document with this printer in color. Thank you very much indeed.